Hey guys, Anime Girl here. I'm here with some more Land of Love and Peace. As we left off, I had upgraded my tools to iron, and let's see who I have added to the Peace Garden today. Let's see. I have added the Bear Witness, and the reason I have added him is because he decided what we should build today. And what he said was this. He said that we should build a docking boat station. And I was like, that's a really good idea. So, let's do this. Okay. Let's eat my mutton and let's go. Okay. So we're gonna need lots and lots of wood for this. And in the next episode, oh, by the way, some of my viewers actually said, like, emailed me and said, you should do most of your mining out of the video. So, I'm going to be doing most of my mining out of the video. Not all of it. They said not all of it, but just enough so I don't bore you guys. So, okay. Okay. We're going to need a lot of oats. Okay, that makes 4 boats. Okay, now what we can do is, let's do this. Let's do it like this, 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 ah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take this down right here. Okay. Look, and then we can have a boat right here. Oh shoot. No, boat. Stay. Okay, we need to make. Do I still have some leftover fence? I think I do, but I don't know. Let me see. Fence. Yes, I do. Okay, that's good. So my idea is to kind of do it like this, and then like this, and I forgot how to make fences again. Dang it. I keep forgetting how to. Let's try this. Okay. Is this it? Nope, that's this it. This? No. 1 second, guys. I need to look it up. Okay, guys. I I am back. I figured out how to. You do it like this and this. Wait, this is a gate. Oh my god. Really? This is how they said to make a fence, not a fence gate. Oh, really? 1 second. Okay guys, this is how you do it. What? What? This is how it... Oh my god, how do you make a fence? 1 second again. Okay guys, I've been doing a lot, and I've been doing a lot of research, and it worked last time I did it like this, and it's not working. And it worked the last time. You can even see the fences right there. And I don't want to have to cheat at all. Every single thing you see here, I've never cheated. Because, seriously. So, I guess I'm just going to have to do blocks. I know how to make gates now, but, this sucks. It really does suck. Why won't it place? I know what I have to do. There we go. I'm happy now. Boat 1. Boat 2. There. That's how it's done. Yeah. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Now I have to make a chesty. Let's make a chest for the rest of the boats. Yay! I'm so happy we did it. Guys, we made a docking station. Yes! I am so happy we made this docking station. Well, guys, it's time to go. I hope you liked this Let's Play video. I hope to see you next time. Bye! Creeper! Creepy creeper! I'll end the video once I take out this creeper. I don't want this creeper to kill me. No, 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 no. Just no. Oh, phew. Well, I hope you liked this Let's Play video. I hope to see you real soon. Bye!